If you've been grinding in the gym, but your gains still suck, this is why. These 10 exercises are secretly destroying your progress, and I promise, one of them is in your current routine. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Whole Life Health and Fitness, the place where we train smarter, not harder. I'm here to break down the 10 most overrated, injury-prone, and flat-out useless exercises that are killing your gains. Watch until the end, because I'll also show you what to do instead to grow muscle faster, safer, and smarter. 1. Smith machine squats. Smith squats lock you into a fixed vertical path. This might feel safer, but it puts unnatural stress on your knees and lower back. It overloads the quads, but with poor joint alignment. It also underactivates the glutes due to lack of hip engagement. Do this instead: barbell back squat or goblet squat. These force core engagement, improve stabilizer muscles, and protect your knees naturally. 2. Behind the neck shoulder press. Unless you're freakishly mobile, this is a fast track to wrecking your rotator cuffs. This exercise puts your shoulders in a weak, risky position and increases the chance of injury. Use an overhead dumbbell press or standing barbell press instead. They're safer, more natural, and just as effective. Have you done any of these exercises? Be honest. Drop it in the comments right now. 3. Upright rows. Think you're building cap shoulders? You're just grinding your shoulder joints like sandpaper. This movement often causes shoulder impingement, a painful trap you don't want. Use dumbbell lateral raises or cable lateral raises instead. They target your side delts safely and effectively. 4. Crunches. You want abs? Crunches aren't the answer. They're outdated and bad for your spine. Repetitive crunching puts pressure on spinal discs and doesn't engage the full core. Try planks, hanging leg raises, or ab wheel rollouts. These work your entire core, not just the top layer. 5. Triceps kickbacks. They look fancy, feel like work, but deliver very little. They lack constant tension and have poor range of motion. Do skull crushers, dips, or rope pushdowns instead. You'll build more mass with better tension. If this video is saving your gains already, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more weekly fitness drops. 6. Leg extensions. Isolating your quads at the cost of knee health? Nope, not worth it. This machine creates shear force on your knee joints and doesn't transfer well to compound lifts. Do step-ups or Bulgarian split squats instead. These are more functional, more effective, and easier on your knees. 7. Machine chest flies. They feel like they're doing something, but most of the tension disappears mid-rep. Fixed path, limited resistance curve, and weak activation at full stretch. Use dumbbell flies or cable crossovers. They allow a full stretch and better tension throughout the movement. 8. Overhead tricep extensions with heavy weight. Heavy weight behind your head and bad form is a disaster waiting to happen. Your elbows flare, your shoulders rotate under pressure. It's just not worth it. Use rope pushdowns or close grip bench press instead. They target the triceps without risking injury. 9. Seated ab machines. They're in every gym and should be avoided. You end up using momentum, not muscle. Hip flexors take over while your abs barely activate. Use cable crunches or decline sit-ups. Controlled, focused, and actually effective for your core. 10. Behind the neck lat pull down. One of the worst. This move butchers your shoulders and spine. Your shoulder blades can't move properly, and you're yanking your neck forward under load. Use front lat pull downs or pull-ups instead. Better activation, better mechanics, and safer on your joints. Bonus tips. Here are 3 quick tips to train smarter. Focus on compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and rows. Use full range of motion for every rep. Practice mind-muscle connection. Don't just move the weight, control it. Recap. Here are the 10 exercises to avoid. Smith machine squats. Behind the neck shoulder press. Upright rows. Crunches. Tricep kickbacks. leg extensions, machine chest flies, heavy overhead tricep extensions, seated ab machines, behind the neck lat pull down. Replace them with smarter, safer, and more effective movements, and your gains will blow up. If you've done any of these before, you're not alone. But now you know better. Make the switch, and your physique will thank you. What's one exercise you used to do that you'll never touch again? Comment below and let's see what the community says. If this helped you out, like the video, subscribe to Whole Life Health and Fitness, and tap the bell so you never miss a new drop. Want to know the only 7 exercises men actually need to grow muscle fast? Tap that next video on your screen now.